Two women accused in the death of a young girl were just ordered to stand trial. Prosecutors presented some of the evidence against them at a hearing. KDKA's Erika Stanish has more from the Fayette County Courthouse.
That prelim wrapped up just about an hour ago, where all charges, including homicide, were held for trial against Courtney Eutsey and Sarah Shipley. This is the first time the women have seen each other since they've been arrested and charged, and they both just sat feet away from each other, only looking at each other once in the very beginning. Both were legal guardians for 9-year-old Renesmay Eutsey, who was found dead in the Yonk River in September. Now, this all started when Renesmay was reported missing on September 4th. Witnesses say Shipley called 911, worried she ran away or possibly had been taken by her biological mother's ex-boyfriend. The Commonwealth had 11 witnesses take the stand, ranging from state troopers, emergency management, a doctor, and even Shipley's sister. One witness said when she arrived at the home, one of the children there said Renesmay ran away, but then later admit that mommy put Renesmay in a tote. The child allegedly told troopers that they referred to Courtney Eutsey as mommy and Sarah Shipley as daddy. One witness said Eutsey admit that a week prior, Renesmay received burns in the bathtub and it may have gotten infected, but never sought medical care for the child. Eutsey said Renesmay began to choke and vomit, and despite trying to give CPR, she was unable to revive her. Troopers say Eutsey and Shipley were taken to the police station, where Eutsey then admitted to taking Renesmay to the Yonk River and dumping her body. Troopers say she eventually navigated officers to the location. Another trooper testified that 6 rocks were found in the garbage bag with Renesmay's body. Shipley's sister also testified that after Eutsey was arrested, Sarah called her to the home and admit to taking their cameras down at the home before police arrived, and admit to carrying Renesmay's body in a bag to the trunk of the car. As she left the courtroom, she yelled to Shipley that she hopes she rots. Now, another shocking testimony was about the children in the home. A doctor said she evaluated a 6-year-old who was so emaciated that he was the size of a 2- or 3-year-old and described his medical condition as torture. She said an 11-year-old told her that Shipley removed one of her teeth with pliers and determined she suffered from physical abuse and educational neglect, saying she didn't know how to read. Now, Eutsey's attorney argued there was no non-hearsay evidence that Eutsey killed Renesmay, along with no autopsy or manner of death yet, but a judge held all charges for both women for trial.
This was not an accident. This was not a medical thing. This was an intentional act, and we're going to prosecute it as such.
Now, I can tell you that Shipley appeared to be visibly upset in court, crying on multiple occasions, while Eutsey did not appear to show any emotion at all. Both have been taken back to jail until their next court date. In the meantime, Renesmay's biological mother, who we've spoken to in the past about this case, was not in court today. Reporting in Uniontown, Fayette County, Erika Stanish, KDKA-TV News.